Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're signed in and ready. First, pause syncing so changes don't re-upload. Open the OneDrive icon in the taskbar, choose Pause Syncing for 2 hours. Next, locate the exact files and folders to remove, look in Shared, Recent, and your local OneDrive folder. Once you've found them, select with Control or Shift for multiple items. Make sure to confirm the account shown in the app. Deleting from the wrong account is a common mistake, so double-check before proceeding. Now perform the deletion itself. Right-click selected files or folders and choose Delete, or press the Delete key. If items remain in the OneDrive recycle bin, empty it online to actually free cloud storage. Open OneDrive Web, go to Recycle Bin, then delete all. If you're unsure about losing a version, use version history before deleting to save a copy. Once done, resume syncing and let OneDrive update the changes across devices so everything stays consistent. Finish by deciding whether to keep local copies. Unlink the PC in OneDrive settings if you want cloud-only removal while preserving local files. Alternatively, enable Files on Demand or use Storage Sense to free space on the device. If you experience sync errors or deletions reappearing, reset OneDrive or sign out and sign back in. This refreshes credentials and clears transient issues. Make sure to check the web recycle bin one last time. Restoring there is your simplest recovery.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.